What's up, everybody? Dave, Sandric Cemetery, of course. Never really gave a tutorial on my outdoor door cover. You've seen it if you've paid attention. It glows, these skulls glow. But I kind of did an upgrade, so I wanted to film. Just give you a quick idea, because this is asked about, and it's one of the easiest things I've made. This is, I got some new fabric this year. It's basically landscaping, used for landscaping. The regular burlap you get from like a fabric store or something is expensive. It's a little more, I don't know if you can see this, but the gaps between this landscaping burlap is a little more than the burlap you would get from like a fabric store, but it's cheaper and it comes in huge width rolls. So I wanted to make this the whole length of my storm door up front. So then I basically hang this up from the inside from magnets. And then in this big middle space here I have a demon I got from a gift years ago that no one makes anymore. I don't even know where they got it from, but they gave it to me as a gift. So I put that in the middle. And most of these skulls are just cheap plastic skulls I got from the Dollar Tree. Cut them in half different ways, take off the jaw and that one like that. But then I coat them with a glow-in-the-dark UV paint. It's a little pricey, but it works. And then I paint some of the eyes. And some of them I even paint the whole skulls different colors, like a green, glow-in-the-dark paint, and orange. Like that one for the eyes. There's the green. And I'd put a white paint in some of these eyes here. And my black UV light does a great job making these glow up. And this one this year I tried making a skull of spray foam and some mold for jello or for cakes I got from Party City, and that kind of turned out good because it looked like it rotted. So I put some UV paint on that and I'll see how that looks. Now I'll put the demon in the front and I'll show you what it looks like at night. There's the back of the door to hold the burlap. It's one of those big magnetic bars to hold tools from Harbor Freight. I got those round ones from somewhere online. So that holds the burlap and all the skulls up. And then I have fishing line. Can't see it connected down to this magnet. Also underneath that magnet bar for my ghoul or demon, whatever you call it. And there's the demon. She is behind or in front of all the skulls, the burlap. And then on top of my doorway, I have a permanent, well not permanent, I can take that down. It's old fluorescent black UV black light. The cord comes down the inside of the doorway. And then down at the bottom of a LED UV black light, all connected together. So it'll show up nice and pretty at night. And here is the front door at night. Finally got around to shooting it. Surrounded by a skeleton hanging, and then there's a creepy vampire in the window. I got those strobe lights in the window boarded up to accent this door. Like I said, don't mind the shadow reflection. Basically they're Dollar Tree skulls with green, orange paint. And then I got a glow-in-the-dark UV spray paint. Sorry, it's not focusing. And then gave it 2 coats of that, and it glows pretty well. And this skull there on the left, the orange one, made that with spray foam out of a mold for cakes or jello I got from Party City the other year for like $3. Looks pretty good. Half of it ripped off, but it looks like a decayed skull. And inside there's the LED UV black light pointing up, and on top is the old school black light. So I think it turned out pretty good, and that's as far back as I can get to get it all. But that's the front door. Easy, like I said, burlap, magnets, and that's the after effect. See ya.